Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. The Metaverse is showing unmeasurable potential beyond its gaming roots to give people and brands a new space to socialize, play, create, work, shopping, and earn. Its full potential is yet to be seen, but it has already been showing trends that are worth knowing because this new technological evolution could be our next frontier. These 8 Metaverse Major Emerging Trends have significant implications for the years ahead. Thank you for your support growing Metaverse Insider. You may like and subscribe. Disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. It does not constitute recommendation for investment or trading. Do your own research and seek professional advice before taking financial risks. Metaverse Insider is not paid for this video. Number 1. Metaverse Blockchain Gaming. What is blockchain gaming? It's a technology where the digital items inside video games like collectibles, weapons, and cosmetic skins are real-world assets in the form of non-fungible tokens. Blockchain gaming allows gamers to be rewarded with cryptocurrencies for playing. According to data, the top 3 Metaverse tokens by market capitalizations are all gaming related. Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Axie Infinity have the most figures operating within the crypto industry and the Metaverse sector in particular. Number 2. Metaverse Shopping. Do you imagine how your mall look like in the Metaverse? It might be soon that you might buy digital shoes to wear on your digital date in a digital world. Before the internet, the mall was the gathering place to watch movies, shopping, hanging out, to name a few. Then online shopping was born, and it has been convenient and practical. Many physical shopping centers face the disruption of online shopping and the rise of e-commerce. Some companies are going big on expanding beyond their physical boundaries and democratization of fashion creation with limitless designs in the virtual spaces that correlate and resonates with buyers. Everyone is building its own digital interactive space and start to imagine what shopping in the Metaverse might look like. Shopping is not only buying things, it is about the experience and the community that thrives around it. This can be experienced in the Metaverse. Many of the world's largest fashion brands, for example, are already actively experimenting with digital-only clothing collections which are worn by influencers. Nike was the first major brand to engage in the Metaverse. Adidas is also now in the Metaverse. Walmart has already started its interest in the Metaverse shopping. With more interest than ever in the Metaverse, business brands from every category are excited and eager to join in the Metaverse shopping spree. Number 3. Metaverse Future of Work. Successful companies know that their most valuable asset is their people. Metaverse technology promises to produce imaginative and creative new ways for people to collaborate and work online. It is critical that companies start to understand the profound ways in which this new technological paradigm is set to radically impact on the future of work. Metaverse has promised to create more realistic and therefore more productive, immersive meetings made possible with 3D virtual reality headsets. Meta already released the Horizon Workrooms, and Microsoft is also rolling out Mesh for Microsoft Teams. It is all part of a trend toward individualism and independence. People are feeling a stronger sense of agency over how and where they spend their time and attention. Organizations need to prepare for new jobs roles that do not currently exist. Number 4. Metaverse raises virtual experiences. Virtual reality allows users to enter the Metaverse, closing the perceived gaps between digital and physical realities. Virtual versions of people, objects, and landscapes will allow us to explore brand new environments and make experiences more accessible to everyone. One of the most notable trends might be the rise of virtual experiences, be this in the form of online streaming of videos or events, or in the form of virtual reality. Standard video use cases will grow as people discover shared experiences in the Metaverse centered around video and other social experiences that can be recreated in the Metaverse. Virtual reality and augmented reality are probably the end goal. As the hardware gets cheaper and experience gets better, there will be the really transformative way to access the Metaverse in the coming years. Number 5. Metaverse Digital Real Estate. What are real estate in the metaverse? Real estate in virtual worlds, sometimes called the metaverse, is going for millions of dollars in some cases. The most expensive spots are near where lots of users congregate. For instance, someone recently paid $450 million to be Snoop Dogg's neighbor in a virtual world called the Sandbox. If the metaverse is meant to encompass everything that exists virtually, from digital art to virtual worlds, then the real estate parcels that are being snapped up can be seen as just one type of metaversal investment, often listed as NFTs. Companies are now purchasing real estate in the metaverse. In fact, some real estates in the metaverse are actually being sold for millions of dollars right now. Many people buy real estate in the metaverse as an investment to sit on. Number 6. Metaverse Marketing. You can offer virtual advertising in the metaverse. The metaverse is the next iteration of social media for brands, and this time, companies and marketers are on high alert. With more companies realizing the power of community, brands are making a beeline for curating the ultimate metaverse experience for their consumers in the coming years. Since metaverses are experiential and immersive in nature, it's time to take advantage of this by offering the same immersive experience with your ads and making marketing strategy. Brands such as Nike has recently discovered new revenue streams through collaborations with Roblox Metaverse and other metaverses. Online marketers need to be updated with the latest technological development, and this of course includes understanding the metaverse and its full marketing potential. What marketers need to understand is that metaverse is not just a trendy new thing. It seems like it is here to stay and is making its way to be the next big thing. How can marketers adapt as this metaverse expands? The value of millennials and Gen Zers as a target market cannot be overlooked. These generations are avid users of some forms of metaverse technology, such as games like Roblox and technologies like virtual reality. Number 7. Metaverse is driving investments. The metaverse may not be in its full potential until maybe 5 to 10 years from now, but obviously there are investment opportunities along the way. One notable company is Meta, which has done the most to push the idea into the mainstream and is investing heavily into augmented reality and virtual reality devices. Apple, Snapchat, Samsung, and Microsoft have their own strategy on investing into this arena. Number 8. Metaverse is enhancing self-expression through digital identity. The metaverse is redefining digital identity. Users have control over personal identification information and interaction with other users. Users can choose to disclose information according to their own comfort level. The avatar is how people manage their identity in virtual world. An avatar is a character representing an individual in an online environment.